1. Artificial intelligence (AI). Artificial intelligence trending technology consists of implementing a certain number of techniques aimed at allowing machines to imitate a form of real intelligence. AI finds itself implemented in a growing number of application areas. The concept was born in the 1950s thanks to the mathematician Alan Turing. This book is a computing machinery and intelligence. The latter raises the question of bringing machines to a form of intelligence. He then describes a test today known as the Turing test, in which a subject interacts blindly with another human. Then with a machine programmed to formulate sensible responses. If the subject is unable to tell the difference, then the machine has passed the test and, according to the author, can truly be considered. 2. Blockchain. Is this blockchain trending technology the new internet? Blockchain trending technology is without a doubt a brilliant invention. Conceived by a person or a group of people known by the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto. But since its invention, the blockchain has grown, and the question everyone is asking is, what is blockchain? By allowing digital data to be distributed without being able to be copied. Blockchain trending technology has created the backbone of a new type of internet. Originally designed for Bitcoin digital currency by Bitcoins, the new technology community is now finding other potential uses for it. 3. Augmented reality and virtual reality. What is augmented reality? Defining augmented reality, AR, is not that simple. Indeed, it is a transverse field which uses many different trending technologies. The very term, augmented reality, which appeared in reference to that of virtual reality, can be misleading. This is quite understandable since it is not the reality that is increased but our own perception. So here we are going to offer you our own vision of this trending technology and our own definition based on that of Ronald Azuma. If you want to complete the description, do not hesitate to do so. Augmented reality can be seen as an interface between digital data, which we wrongly call virtual, and the real world. It is therefore different from virtual reality. 4. Cognitive cloud computing. Cognitive computing, or cognitive computing, is the trending technology simulation of the human thought process within a computer model. This is based on computer learning systems using data mining, pattern recognition, and natural language processing to mimic the way the human brain works. Indeed, if computers have been able to perform calculations and process information faster than humans for several decades, they struggle to perform simple tasks for humans, such as understanding natural language or recognizing objects within an image. 5. Angular and React. The choice between React or Angular drives many debates on the developer forums. Lost the mass of information, it is not always easy to find your bearings very clearly. When you are a junior in JavaScript development and you are looking for the best architecture or the best framework to get started, the goal here is not to choose a winner or a loser, but to present the advantages and disadvantages of each so that you can make an informed choice. Angular, the Google framework. You have to differentiate Angular from React by their radically different logic. While Angular offers an official JavaScript framework, React is a library that deals with views. 6. DevOps. What is DevOps? DevOps is a set of practices that gives collaboration and communication between software developers and IT operations professionals, automating the software delivery process and infrastructure changes. The term DevOps was born from the union of development and operations, whose objective is to promote better communication between the two teams. DevOps aims to create a culture and environment in which software design, testing, and dissemination can be done quickly, frequently, and efficiently. 7. Internet of Things (IoT). What is the IoT Internet of Things? The term IoT first appeared in 1999 in a speech by Kevin Ashton, a British engineer. It was used to designate a system where physical objects are connected to the Internet. These are also systems capable of creating and transmitting data in order to create value for its users through various services. Over time, the term has evolved and now encompasses the entire ecosystem of connected objects. This ecosystem includes sensor manufacturers, software publishers, incumbents or new operators on the market, integrator. This eclecticism makes it rich. 8. Hashtag robots and cobot. The word cobot first appeared in 1999. It is a neologism formed from the words cooperation and robotics. The principle of cooperation is extremely important in cobotics, which tries to best match this ideal. Indeed, the main distinction of the cobot is its interaction with humans. It is indeed not intended to be independent or programmed for a task that he will repeat eternally in his corner. Whether it is controlled in real time, configured in advance, or whether it works alongside a human, the collaborative robot is made to collaborate with the operator. It is his assistant. It is estimated that only 10% jobs are fully automatable. A 2016 study by researchers at the prestigious MIT also showed that human-robot collaboration was 85% more productive than a human, or a robot working alone. 9. Hashtag big data. What is big data? The big data phenomenon. The quantitative explosion of digital data has forced researchers to find new ways to see and analyze the world. It is about discovering new orders of magnitude concerning the capture, research, sharing, storage, analysis, and presentation of data. Thus was born big data. It is a concept for storing an unspeakable amount of information on a digital basis. According to the archives of the Digital Library of the Association for Computing Machinery, or ACM. In scientific articles concerning the trending technology challenges to be met in order to visualize large data sets, this designation appeared in October 1997. 10. Hashtag quantum computing. A quantum computer is the equivalent of conventional computers, but which would perform its calculations directly using the laws of quantum physics and, basically, the so-called superposition of quantum states. While a conventional computer manipulates bits of information, which are either zeros or ones, a quantum computer uses qubits. These are generalizations of the conventional bits, which are somehow a simultaneous superposition of these two states. As can be, for example, a spin state of a photon or an electron.